Hello, my Blizs. I welcome you all back to my channel. Holidays have already started, and Christmas is around the corner too. So, here's my Christmas makeup look, which is easy, simple, and feminine, which anyone can follow. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product I am going to do is like DIY facial oil, like few drops. I'm just warming it up and going massaging all over my face. So I already have a video on this DIY facial oil, which I'll be again linking in my description box. You can check it out. So once the oiling is done, I am just using my pack foundation, and I'm using very minimal foundation just to cover all my dark circles and uneven skin tone. And then I'm blending it out. So I'm carefully blending all the foundations wherever I have just marked it, and I'm making sure it doesn't look patchy and it easily blends well. And as I always say, do not forget your neck in all the procedures. So whatever product is left, I am just dragging it down. I think there was something in my forehead. So once I'm done with blending, so I'll directly move towards my eyebrows. So for that I'm using my NYX micro pro pencil. First I simply just brushed it up, and then I just drew a line, and I'm just filling all the gaps wherever it is like visible, and carefully I'm just filling it up. So once all the filling of the product is done, I am just again marking an outline on my upper side of the eyebrow and making it even. So once again, if that procedure is done, I am simply blending it out with the spoolie of the product itself. Next I'll be moving towards my eyes. So for that I'm using that brown shade. I'm simply taking that brown shade on my crease area, and I'm blending it out very smoothly. Then I'm moving towards this pink, light pink shade, which I'm taking on my lid area. So what I'm doing here is I'm simply blending my crease shade and the pink shade together to make it even. So this is slightly shimmery, which will give you that festive look and yet sophisticated. So once I'm done that, I'm taking this shimmery black shade just to create some depth. So I'm applying that shade to the outer corners of my eye, and then I'm taking the Swiss Beauty silver glitter eyeshadow. So it's a liquid eyeshadow. I'm simply like directly dabbing on my like center of my lids, and then I'm blending it with my finger. And then once I'm done, I am simply just using an eyeliner. So it's in sugar gel eyeliner in the shade black. So I'm very carefully dragging the eyeliner near my lash line. So my motto is to just simply have the thin eyeliner as possible. And I'm filling all the gaps wherever I'm able to see. And then the final touch. So once I'm done with that, I'm simply taking the black eyeshadow from this palette, With the angled brush, I'm just applying it as my kohl, not full eye but just in half eye. And then again I'm taking that liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty. So next I'm moving towards my lashes. So I have already curled my lashes off camera, and simply I'm just applying the mascara. Like I'm trying to create a volume here, and then I am applying the same product to my lower lash line. So finally, highlight of my makeup will be lipstick. So I'm using two lipsticks from Sugar. So this one is Drop Dead Red. So simply I'm outlining the shade and filling it up. Like, do not forget the corner of your lips. It really looks very odd when the corners are not covered. So make sure you cover those corners. Do not worry even if it smudges it out. Like, you can just take care of it at the end of the makeup. So once I'm done using that, I'm using the second shade, that is Brazen Raisin, and I'm just filling towards the inner corners like of my lips and trying to create that heavy and bold look. So as I said we are just touching it up, making the edges of the lipstick like a bit soft by using this earbud. So it really makes a difference. And then finally I'm going towards my blush and highlighter from the Sugar palette. So first just smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks. It gives you that fresh and healthy look basically. And then my favorite part, highlighter for that glow. So since whatever face, like high points of your face, you can apply all over that. So like for example checks, your nose bridge, then your cupid bow. So I'm highlighting those part. And then I'm taking some product highlighter like below my eyebrow and some inner corners of my eye, and that's it. I'm done. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you liked this video. Do not forget to please subscribe, like and share this video, and do let me know in the comments how are you going to celebrate Christmas this year. We'll meet you in next video. Till then, lots of love. See ya.